If you find yourself banned from Deliveroo and wish to appeal the decision, follow these steps to present your case effectively. Step 1. Review the ban reason. Understand why you were banned by checking any communication from Deliveroo. This could include emails or notifications in the app. Knowing the specific reason will help you address it directly in your appeal. Step 2. Gather evidence. Collect any relevant information or evidence that supports your case. This may include screenshots, order history, or correspondence with Deliveroo. Having clear evidence will strengthen your appeal. Step 3. Write your appeal. Draft a clear and concise appeal letter or message. Start by stating your account details, the reason for the ban, and your understanding of the situation. Explain why you believe the ban should be lifted and include any evidence you gathered. Step 4. Submit your appeal. Send your appeal through the appropriate channel. This could be via the Deliveroo app, their website, or customer service email. Ensure you follow any specific instructions provided by Deliveroo for submitting appeals. Step 5. Follow up. If you do not receive a response within a reasonable time frame, consider following up on your appeal. Politely inquire about the status of your case and reiterate your desire for a resolution. By following these steps, you can effectively appeal your ban from Deliveroo. Good luck!